Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about a really great little key. It's a quick set key, but most importantly, how do you cut a residential key? Quick set, Schlage, Sargent, any of those keys. Do you cut them laser cut or do you cut them the plunge cuts where you have a flat spot at the bottom and you have these high peaks? Please subscribe. That's what we're going to be discussing today. There's a lot of reasons why we need to know that, because if you cut them in a laser cut, you're going to have problems. That's a spoiler. That's a spoiler. Smash that like button. So I'm going to explain it to you. So let's get a close-up look at a laser cut key, regular cut key that key machine plunges in and leaves a lot of peaks on top of the cuts. We have a close-up look at these two keys now. One's a laser cut and one's a regular cut key. So this is the regular cut and this is the laser cut. Same depths and spaces, but one is laser, so it just kind of, the blade floats over it, it just kind of cuts and it up and down, and it knocks off all these peaks. So why don't we want the laser cut key? It looks cool, and by the way, it does go in easier. It slides in and out easier, but why don't we want to have a locksmith come and cut a laser cut key? Well, I'm going to tell you why. Please subscribe. In my investigation over the years, I've talked to a lot of manufacturers of key machines. And the regular key machines that plunge cut like this and leave the peaks are the way to go for commercial and residential use. Now, this laser cut is great for, say, a car application, a cam lock situation. But really, laser cuts do this to the lock. When you stick this in, notice the tip of this key. It has a hook to it. So right here, you have all these highs and lows, and it comes to a hook. So when you stick a hook in any cylinder that has pins in it, smash that like button. Smash it, please. It wants to hang up on that last pin where the hook's at. Using a best cylinder, and you cut a laser key, you're going to have a hook situation, which isn't good, guys. But here's the real reason. When you stick your key in and you open a doorknob, notice quite a bit of play on a laser cut key. And the reason being is that first chamber right here at the end, tip of the key, is going to take all the stress. They figured it out. When you open a door, you usually pull on the key along with the pull handle. Pull in both places, the key and the pull handle, or sometimes you just pull with the key to open up. And that will wear out your cylinder. So this is a general lock, and I have not changed the bitting on the general lock. All I did was laser cut this. So I just stuck this in my machine and pushed laser, and I just put the depths in there in a code cutting machine, and that's what it looks like. You notice it's the same bitting, but all the highs are knocked off. So you want to leave those, because when you pull with a regular key that's not been laser cut and you turn it like this, the play is less. All the pins are taking the stress of you pulling the door open. That's my tip for the day. Please subscribe. A lot of people don't know that. You know, they think, wow, I'm going to laser cut everything because it feels so much easier. When you stick that in, it's just like butter, guys. Oh, it feels great. I mean, seriously, hardly any resistance. You don't want a hook at the end of your key, and this will really exaggerate it. Right here, we don't notice the hook so much. Same bitting, but look at that hook. My tip for the day, guys, don't laser cut a residential or commercial key, because you're going to end up with trouble later on. Please subscribe in the cylinder. We don't need any trouble. We want something to last 30, 40 years. We don't want to have a call back in 2 years say, hey, my lock's messing up. It's all tight and weird. This is the reason why. You laser cut the key. Try not to do that. You're not doing anybody a favor. It may feel good, but it's really not good for anybody. Well, there you have it, guys. I don't have any more for you today. Please subscribe. Laser or regular cut. Which do you guys think's the best? I think you know by now. Smash that like button. Smash it, please. Tell your friends and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. More door and lock tips coming your way. Thank you, guys. Have more door and lock tips coming your way in the future. Please subscribe. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Smash that like button. Oh, it looks like we have another door and lock video coming our way today. Oh, please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips coming your way in the future. Thank you, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. I don't have any more for you today. Laser or regular cut. Which do you guys think's the best?